Have a good day everyone. Today we will see isolate objects command in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Go customization, click, tick isolate object. Okay, exit. Now go isolate objects, click, select, enter. Again go unisolate object, click, isolate additional objects, select, enter. Okay, again go unisolate objects, end object isolation. Again go isolate objects, hide objects, select, enter. Again go unisolate object, hide objects, select, enter. Okay, again go isolate object, end object isolation. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.